Hi! Welcome back to another episode of Learn English with Alison, a quick and fun way to learn how to speak English. Today, we're going to talk about some more commonly misused words. Words that sound the same but have different meanings have a special name. Do you remember what they're called? These words are called homophones. Some homophones we've already covered are to, and to, stationary and stationary, and principal and principal. Let's look at a new set of homophones. There, and there. These three words are some of the most commonly confused words in the English language. There is a possessive, like apostrophe S. That means something belongs to them. There always refers to two or more people. Josh and Emily live in New York. Their apartment is near Central Park. Using there shows the apartment belongs to Josh and Emily. There has two meanings. It can refer to a place, or it can show us that something exists. Sam has visited Paris 3 times. I've never been there. In this sentence, there refers to Paris. There are some books on the table. In this sentence, there shows that the books exist. There is a contraction of they are. You can use this contraction with different verb tenses. They're doctors. This sentence uses simple present tense and has the same meaning as they are doctors. The children are upstairs. They're watching TV. This sentence uses present continuous tense and has the same meaning as they are watching TV. Here's one more example. Are Jack and Amy going to the beach today? Yes, they're driving there in their car. Wait a minute, that doesn't seem right. Let's check the meaning and fix this sentence. There is a place. In this sentence, it's the beach. There is a possessive. In this sentence, it means belonging to Jack and Amy. There is a contraction. In this sentence, they refers to Jack and Amy. So, they're driving there in their car is the same as the beach driving Jack and Amy's in their car. That makes no sense. Let's ask some questions to put the words in the right order. First, who is driving? Jack and Amy are driving. We can use they instead of Jack and Amy. Next, where are they going? The beach. We can use there instead of the beach. Finally, whose car are they driving? Jack and Amy's car. We can use there instead of Jack and Amy's. Let's try this again. They're driving there in their car. That's better. Now you know how to use there, and there. Join Alison and continue your English learning journey. There are lots of free courses available. Thanks for watching!